Compact refrigeration has become little more than a utility in the minds of consumers. This is a category of products fraught with bland engineering and monotonous design. We knew changing that perception would be no easy feat. Injecting meaning through design was not as simple as it sounds. The contemporary classic, we focused on a design people would really be excited by. From a functionality perspective, it had to be something traditional, but something they would inevitably take time to select and carefully curate into the home like they would a piece of furniture. The guidelines were simple. Create a product that evokes emotion, one that is soft on the eyes yet dramatic to touch. Curving the door meant fewer units per truck. Limiting visual clutter impacted tolerances, and creating the dramatic impression on the door reduced critical space for insulation. All of this is heresy in terms of mass production, but it meant everything to the consumers who would eventually own the product. We knew we had to push the boundaries. We focused on surfacing, tactile materials, and the organization of elements into unified composition. The end result was a delicate balance between simplicity and flair, which inevitably led to the lines labeling of contemporary classic. At first, the door face was intentionally smooth and simple, but just didn't trigger enough of an emotional response. This led to the radical impression on the top of the door, an upside-down handle, and in turn, a more ergonomically correct user operation. Elements that were previously obtrusive, like the top-mounted hinge and hinge cover, were completely eliminated from view and blended seamlessly into the new handle and the worktop. The unit as a whole now became a composition of pleasing shapes, dramatic lines, and successfully married contemporary form with classic elements. All too often, products like this are considered secondary, perceived to be merely beneficial for their utility. This results in manufacturers spending little time understanding the people that actually use the products, and instead they focus on speed, cost reductions, and ease of manufacturing. When a product is well designed, it tells a story, it reflects meaning, respects costs, and contributes to healthy human experiences. With the Contemporary Classic Collection, we believe we did just that.